Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you, and it is Wednesday, May the 22nd. And I apologize. I am way late in getting this recap video out for a couple different reasons, but I'll get into it. It's all good. But I was pretty frustrated around 420. Still pretty frustrated, to be honest. Anyway, we'll dive into that in a bit. But the accounts have already reset for the day, so I can't show you my P&L. I'm just going to tell you what it was. Trust me. You can go back and look at the account balances the previous day and compare it if you so choose. But on the streaming account, we did make I think we had like $160 in profit today, which was great. Recovered some of yesterday's losses, where we kept getting shot in the tick yesterday. So did go well. Did go better today. One thing of note, I'm a little bit salty about this, but it is okay. Earlier, right here, for those that if you want to rewatch the stream to verify this, but for some reason this morning, I just came in with a very biased opinion on that today we're gonna sell off. I felt pretty confident we're gonna test the lows of the overnight session of 755, and I was in a short position and ended up getting stopped out somewhere around this 825s here. Excuse me. But obviously hindsight is always 2020. But we did actually end up going below the 750s today then, but who cares, right? Anyway, let's go to our other accounts here. This is our other account. So as you can see, so this here is the streaming account, the very top one. And this account here we took a loss on this account today. I was being pretty risky. I basically was trading after the FOMC minutes. Basically, it was somewhere around, it was like 45 minutes after the FOMC minutes came out. So it wasn't around it wasn't around 2 o'clock, but it was close to like 2:45. I was trying to scalp some, and I got trapped in this long right here. I was looking for this to continue to move lower, and I got trapped. I took my loss, and I think I ended the day like $300 loss, something like that, on this account. Again, you can check the balances. And then I had one account that I had like $100 winner on. I think it was this account here. It was like $106 in profit. And then obviously the streaming account was like $161 in profit. So it wasn't anything major. We didn't blow up, didn't have anything like that happen, but we didn't make a killing either. What's kind of got me upset. And so as I talked before I ended stream that I might try to pass some 250K accounts. And I don't even want to talk about it. I'm still frustrated. I had spent a while since I've been, and it's not even about the money, because $16 for a rhythmic 250K account, not a big deal. But I was trying to pass it on NVIDIA earnings, and it was actually, here's what got me upset. And it's comical, but I took profit. The trade copper I was using, it took profit, and I got a lot of slippage on it. And instead of hitting everything, like I put a buy stop order right here at like the 830s or something like that. And I should be looking at this chart. So right around the 830s, I put a buy stop order in. I got filled, and honestly, I'm not quite sure what happened. Of course, when you trade news like this, weird things can happen, and it's just because of the volatility. But anyway, It hit my profit target, which would have supposedly put me over 15,000 in profit per account. And I had 5 accounts, and I thought, I should be good, but I wasn't. I was still $800 short. So, which is still great. Only $800 to go. And wouldn't you know it? Somehow, some way, we found a way to still hit that $6,500 in drawdown. I was so upset. I did something. I'm upset because it was my own fault and I was being stupid. Very stupid. And trading, I only needed $800. And instead of, I don't know why I wasn't sizing down, way down. Of course, when this big of a move happens, 20 points is not a lot. It doesn't take much for 20 points. And I did size down. I wasn't going max contracts, but I was still trading 5 contracts to try to get that $800 that I still needed. I was trying to just do that with 5, which there was no need to do that. I was patient. I waited until we came to like this area here. I went long, and I never had a chance, man. It just kept going lower. Somewhere right here is where we got liquidated. I couldn't believe it. So anyway, I'm still upset. I should have had 5 250K accounts passed today. $800 out of 15,000 is all I needed. That's all I needed. Come on, man. It's not that hard. So yeah, I was pretty upset. Still upset, to be honest. That's why this recording's so late. Still not quite over it. Anyway, but I'll get over it. It'll be fine. I don't need 250K accounts, to be quite frank. And the more I think about it, the more convinced I am that those 250K accounts, they suck. They're terrible. We don't need them. 50K accounts are fine. Okay? Anyway, that's it. All right. I feel better already. I just needed to rant. I just needed to vent a little bit. Now I feel better. But thankfully, I did not do anything with my funded accounts. The funded accounts are all safe. They're all tucked away, nice and cozy. Everything's fine. But man, I was pretty heated. Anyway, that's it. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We'll be here again for this. I'm not sure what you call it, but we'll be here for it. Take care, guys. I hope you guys passed them. Please tell me you passed the 250K accounts if you were trying to. I hope you guys passed, because it would have been better if mine would have just tanked immediately. Stop me out. I could move on. Wouldn't be a big deal. But the way it happened, anyway, I'm done now. I promise. Let's end this. Take care. See you in the morning. And God bless.